Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Welcome to the arena with Chris Digos. Kindly remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and share the video. Remember to click on the bell sign to enable you get notified whenever we upload a new video. This channel has started a campaign for the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who we see and believe is a political prisoner. We have weighed all sides of the coin and see that the continued detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a slap on the Igbos and the deliberate psychological warfare that has been declared on the Igbos. And all men of goodwill, regardless of where you come from, East, West, North and South, must come together to seek for freedom for this prisoner of conscience. Because in the end, according to Martin Luther King, we will not just remember the oppression or the wars that come from the enemy. We will remember the silence of our friends. See something, say something, and do something. He who rejoices when a digger is used to dig the grave of his friend or enemy is rejoicing too soon, because you don't know what will be used to dig your own grave. Remember when Ojukwu was crying of marginalization? Everybody thought he was joking. Some people finally made a U-turn, came to him when they were being marginalized, and Ojukwu said, "Good morning." Without mentioning, you know who I'm talking about. Today, the Igbos are being marginalized. Despite the freedom for terrorists, despite the freedom for bandits who have not just been freed or pardoned, but they have been given monthly stipends, sent out of the country for rehabilitation and to further their education. Despite the pardoning by the president of corrupt criminal politicians, Kanu has continued to stay in jail. Remember, Martin Luther King said that freedom has never been gotten by appealing to the oppressor. There must be a demand from the oppressed that he shall be freed. And we take solace in the words of Delegiwa that no evil deed will go unpunished. Any evil by man to man must be punished, if not now, but later, because evil can never triumph over good. Always remember that. If you believe in the freedom for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and spread this video so that everybody will know that a psychological warfare that has been declared against the Igbos will not succeed. Yesterday, the People's Democratic Party, the opposition party in Nigeria, who has in their constitution the zoning formula, meaning for those who are across the world watching this video who don't know what that zoning means, it means for equity, fair play and justice, that all the sections of the country, about 6 zones, will have the opportunity to have a go at the #1 seat of the country. That means inclusion, to show every section of the country that they belong to the Nigerian project, and to show them that the marginalized or those less in number will not suffer neglect. Now, the North has been producing continuously the #1 seat, the presidency of Nigeria, for a long time, 90% since after independence. When it was turned for the former Vice President Ekwueme to get that #1 seat, the democracy of Nigeria was truncated. And we are hearing from the grapevine that it was a deliberate attempt to prevent the Igbos from ascending that throne. That is okay. Yesterday we read that the Minister for State for Education, Honorable EMEKA Nwajuiba'S, did not wait the president to direct that those appointees working in his government who want to be his successor must tender their resignation. He resigned the day he obtained his nomination form from the ruling party, showing class, showing ability, zeal, and integrity. Will he have the opportunity to get to that aspiration when people like El-Rufai, who have always been a critic of Bola Tinubu, have made a U-turn to say that he supports Tinubu all the way? But these are men who have been one way or the other talking about justice, equity. There's a gang up against the Igbos. It's obvious. But you can go with your presidency. We need peace in the southeast. And the release of Nnamdi Kanu will not only facilitate this peace, it will also prove a point that the terrorism going on in the southeast is not state-sponsored, as being speculated in some media outlets or some opinions in Nigeria and across the world. Nnamdi Kanu is a prisoner of conscience. He must be set free. Igbo is in Benin Republic. He's been freed. If Nigerian government wanted to bring him back to face the trump-up charges against him, I think they would have done that. They didn't do that. Criminal politicians have been granted freedom, pardon, and they are on their way to work. Why has we continued to keep quiet in the face of tyranny? He who keeps quiet in the face of tyranny is an accomplice. And remember that when you have your knee placed on the neck of the oppressed, that one way or the other, it will get back to you. Subscribe to this channel. Continue to preach justice, equity, and fairness, and it will not come on a platter of gold. I am asking today, what about all those Igbo people, Igbo sons and daughters, who during the election, in order to win the election, have clamored for the release of Kanu? Not just for his release, they even visited him in his detention. Where are they today? This politics of convenience by the Southeast should stop. All men of goodwill must speak up now. It's either now or never. Kanu must be released before it is too late. Open Whispers is saying, join this clamor, this demand for release of Nnamdi Kanu, so that the peace that existed once in the Southeast must return again. His continuous detention shows one thing: the hate for the Igbos. But it's not hate by the common people of Nigeria, or north, south, or west. Because anybody who wants to speak of marginalization will call himself a Biafran. Atiku Abubakar used that when he said that everybody is becoming a Biafran in Nigeria. It means that everybody acknowledges, knows the injustice that has continued to be done to that particular side of Nigeria, the Southeast. We shall not keep quiet until justice is done. I'm again demanding from President Buhari and all those that matter, make history. Release Nnamdi Kanu now. Tomorrow may be late. Because if anything happens to this man, something worse than Kanu may come. Do the needful. Join this call. Our countdown has started. Beware, do good work, and please keep in touch. Fight against this psychological warfare that has been declared on the Igbos. Get your PVC and hold these leaders accountable. Until we meet again, see something, say something, and most importantly, do something until we progress. Freedom has no moral justification to be placed under the table. All man is born free and all man is born equal. Southeast must be liberated. I'm not talking about secession here or secession. I am talking about bringing them on the table. Love them or leave them. We have to choose the one. Either we bring them as equal partners or we let them go. Thank you, and may God bless you.